guys, I am just having a little Sprite Zero, kind of for a snack, but I just have really been craving one. And yeah, I'm gonna have this. I've been really craving the Alani Nu energy drink, but I don't have any, so we're just gonna have this. But I wanted to share actually this because I know a lot of people like my energy drink reviews, so I've been kind of picking them up, but I wanted to give this one a review. I'll probably drink it later, but what is it called? Adrenaline Shock Smart Energy. This one is acai berry. The watermelon one is so good. Oh my gosh, me and my friend Danielle tried it, we liked it, so I've been dying to try this one. So I think I might try this with my lunch, but I just wanted a Sprite first. So when I decide on lunch, I will see you guys then. But till then, I'm just gonna sip on this and work on my computer. So, all right, you guys, and I'm gonna start dinner. So I'm making my Italian chicken. So you just need fat-free cream cheese, a packet of Italian, which you can find this where like the ranch is, the packet ranch chicken, and then just 2 cans of cream of chicken, or just a giant cream of chicken will work too. Alright, and here I am making some lunch. So if you guys know, this is commonly called the Fleischer combo. So it's have hash browns, eggs, cottage cheese, and bacon. Okay, you guys, while my food is cooking, I'm going to try this energy drink like I said I was going to. So I found this at Colborn's, and like I said, it's the acai berry. So let me smell it. That smells so good. It smells like a gummy worm. It tastes like what does that taste like? It's very strong berry flavor. I like this one and the watermelon, you guys. I love it. I found it at Colborn's. I think I just said that. I don't know where else I can find them. I'll try to link them down below in the description box if you guys wanted to see where you can pick them up. If I can't figure it out, I don't know. I'll try to figure out where they're sold, but... And like I said, I'm making the Fleischer combo, but I'm trying to do half voiceover and like half talking, because I like to do talking ones as well, because it's like fun for me to film these, so it's hard to just be silent while I'm like cooking. But yeah, this one's good. 0 sugar, natural caffeine, essential aminos. It's pretty good, you guys. And it does have as much caffeine as like a Bang, so I'm probably only going to drink half of this, because the Bangs make, 300 milligrams. The Bangs make me feel like I'm bouncing off the wall. And I did, however, have half of my cup of coffee this morning. I still leave the points as I counted them as whatever they are. But yeah. So anyways, I got hash browns everywhere. This is going to be like an 8 out of 10. What's my favorite? I want to say the Monster Rosé is my #1 favorite, and the white one, I really like Monsters only because I feel like there's not too much caffeine. I don't know how much Monster has. I'll try to throw up on the screen. But this one has 300. So, and this is again what it looks like, and this is called the Adrenaline Shock Smart Energy. They have a black wave, I think that's what it's called. They have a few other flavors, but I'm dying to try them. I'm also sipping on some water, you guys. I just filled this up with some ice and water, and it's 24 ounces. I told you guys before, and I got a lot of really good feedback, so thank you so much. If you comment, let me know stuff down below, because it really is important to me. I love hearing from you guys. A couple people told me that drinking too much water gave them migraines, so I really do honestly think that that was what it's from, because sorry, it's sizzling. I haven't had a migraine or like even a headache, knock on wood, since last week, and I stopped drinking a lot of water. I started to only drink, what, Indy? This is 24 ounces, so I'll probably drink 3 of these. So 60 ounces of water versus 120. My body, I feel more energized. I feel better. I don't feel as sluggish. And I know that, because I said that to my best friend, and she's like, and my brother, and they're like, what? You can't drink enough water? Like, or you know, you can't drink too much water. But you guys, I'm not a doctor, obviously, so take it how you please. For me personally, I can't drink that much water. It makes me sick, literally, to my stomach, and I get migraines. So I'm just trying to limit my intake. I'm trying to not like feel like I need to drink a gallon a day, because I'm still losing weight, you guys. So trust me, drink at least 64 ounces of water. I heard that that's what, 8 glasses or something, whatever it is. But water is very important on a weight loss journey, so make sure you are drinking water. You know, even if it's 40 ounces, but just make sure you're getting something in, girl. You guys, it's done. Look at, I just wish that you guys could like see how creamy this looks. It did get a little burnt to the bottom. I think I might have cooked it too long, but it's just shredding like butter. The chicken is, that is. So I'm gonna make up some noodles right now, and I think Jason wants potatoes, so I'm going to show you guys this. I'm gonna shred it up and put it over noodles. So I will show you guys that in a second. All right, you guys, I'm going to plate up. This here is Jay's plate. We both decided that we're gonna leave it in chunks, the chicken that is. Then we'll have more gravy, but I can already tell it soaked up a lot of the gravy already. But any Hoosier, I have a 1 cup. I think it's gonna make about 4 cups for serving, but I'm gonna measure it for you guys. Typically, I would just go in with a spoon like I'm gonna here. And that's about 1 cup. So let's see what it looks like. By the way, you guys, this tastes phenomenal. Like, I am so excited for this meal. And it's super, like, delicious and creamy from the cream cheese. So this one's Jay's on some potatoes. I'm going to put it over here. And then mine, I have in a bowl here with some noodles. Like I said, these are the noodles that I used. I just poured them into my container over there. But I have 56 grams for 5 points. And I am also going to have 1 cup. This might actually make 5 serving 1 cups, but yeah. Anyways. So you can shred this, leave this whole, pick the chicken out. You know what I mean? It just depends on how much gravy you want. That's probably enough. 1 cup is 4 or 5 points. It just kind of depends, I think. So there you have it, you guys. There's my dinner. I'm bringing you around town over here. Around town. This is what it looks like. I'm having mine with noodles. Of course, you could have it with over vegetables. You could eat it by itself. You could have it in different noodles. You could have it in cauliflower rice. You could have it with over a potato. You could have it literally, you can make it into a sandwich. I mean, you could literally do anything. It's literally just shredded chicken. I got it all over the place, but yeah, you guys, the Italian season really kicks it up a notch. And like I said, I pretty much burnt it, so I think I cooked it too long. Not burnt it, but you can see it's like sticking to the edges. So what I'm gonna do is just stick this in a container right away and soak my pan. But yeah, you guys, that is our supper. This is only 9 smart points, so I'm really excited about this, you guys. And here I'm just gonna end my night with a cookie from Cup Foods. They say they're only 6 points, but not really 100% positive. So I ended the night really well, actually. Only 30 points out of 38 for the day, and I follow Weight Watchers Blue. The whole point of me showing you that I'm eating a cookie is that balance really is key. Don't eat so strict that you're not happy. So 1 cookie is balance, and I'm enjoying it. So I hope you enjoy your diet as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that these food ideas give you some inspiration, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!